Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can open your NAT type in GTA 5 online. So let's get started. First go to your Ethernet settings, open network and Ethernet settings, change adapters option, then right click your Ethernet which is connected with your internet, right click properties, then go to Internet Protocol version 4, double click, go to start menu, type CMD, enter and type here ipconfig. Now copy this IPv4 address and in here use this following IP address and paste that IP in here, and also just click on this and copy this default gateway also. That's it. You can close it now. Now you have to go to your router settings. This is my routers page, so just find where is your DMZ, this section. Just find it on your router and enable. Just type the number, this number, this IP, just type it in here, then apply. And now you will have NAT type open. Enjoy. I will see you in the next video. Till then, have fun, take care, peace.